Hello, it's Mallory and it's Monday and I have basically had the hiccups all day. So, today I'm going to talk to you about the hiccups. First of all, hiccups are spasms of the diaphragm, which is the muscle which is below the lungs that causes the lungs to expand and contract. And when this happens, the vocal cords snap shut to monitor the intake of air. That's what creates the hic noise associated with the hiccups. Nobody's entirely sure what hiccups are caused by, but they think it may have something to do with when you eat too fast, you swallow air, so your body's trying to get that extra air out of your stomach, or it could be from eating fatty foods or drinking alcohol, stuff that irritates your diaphragm. They may also help to prevent people from choking. There are a few theories about why hiccups exist. I think one of the most interesting is that they really closely resemble the way that tadpoles gulp water and air into their gills. So they think that it may be a remnant from our amphibian ancestors. There are all sorts of alleged cures for the hiccups. None of them have been proven to work, but here's some of my favorite that I've heard of. One is to name 10 bald men because it distracts you from your hiccups. Another is to put a spoonful of sugar on your tongue, and they think that the sandpapery texture and the taste of it can help to comfort your diaphragm. There are all sorts of variations on things involving breathing and drinking water. Drink water from a teaspoon while hanging upside down. Drink water through your nose while you're breathing through your mouth. In the end, you just have to wait it out, and they're usually gone within an hour or two. However, some people haven't been so lucky. Bob Taylor had the hiccups for 27 years. In an interview, he was talking about trying to swallow a spoonful of mustard, and this is a direct quote. He said, "I tried to eat it. Ew." His 27 years pales in comparison to Charles Osborne's 68 years living with the hiccups. He continued to have the hiccups until he died in spite of several operations. His hiccups developed after a hog weighing over 300 pounds collapsed on his chest as Osborne was preparing to kill the hog. Moral of the story is not to kill hogs. Now, usually hiccups aren't a big deal, but sometimes they can be an indicator of more serious problems, including pneumonia, kidney failure, and brain tumors. You should contact your doctor if you have the hiccups for more than 3 hours, or if they start to interfere with your sleeping or eating. Other side effects to look out for are extreme abdominal pain, vomiting, shortness of breath, and spitting up blood, which is never really a good sign. For some reason, something that seems to work with the hiccups is Thorazine, which is actually an antipsychotic commonly used to treat schizophrenia. I hope one day we will live in a world free of hiccups. Until then, Kelsey, I'll see you tomorrow.